Yo, we're starting off with Earn by Time yet again, and we just got our first order. This is gonna be for Chick-fil-A, going 5.5 miles.
You have the one for Mika?
Yeah. Thank you. Morning. How's it going? There's that for you.
Thank you.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Well, at least you looked me directly in the eyes when you didn't tip me. Total ended up being $5 and change for that. So bad. Just got the next order. This is going to be for Starbucks. I believe this one said it was going to be like 3.5 miles, something like that.
It's a little bit hefty and lopsided.
Thank you. Well, there was a tip on that one, but because it was such a short order, ended up being pretty bad as well. Total was like $5 and change. Not doing too hot so far. We got the next order. This is IHOP going 8 miles.
JP, here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just drop it off for Jake.
Okay, yep.
Thank you. Okay, not bad. Total ended up being 13 bones. Kind of makes up for the previous orders. And we got the next order. This is gonna be for Victor Rico's going 6.5 miles. Thank you. Oh, we take those. Total ended up being $13 for that one as well. And we got the next order right away. This one's gonna be for Bed and Breakfast Burrito Company. Thank you. Total ended up being just under $11 for that one. Ooh, this next one, I don't really know about. I think this is a stacked grocery order for Safeway. Actually, maybe not. I think it's just one, but it was showing up as 2. That was weird. Either way, these are like not good 99% of the time. Can I steal that cart from you? You can have it. Thank you. What are the odds that it actually fits in this small cart though?
Small one is
Small?
fine.
Okay.
This is it right here.
Yeah, that's fine. Just bring in the last one.
That's it.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh cool. It's usually huge. Thank you.
No. All right, man. Have a good one.
You too.
Good morning.
Oh, scared me.
Oh, did I scare you? I
Yeah.
don't usually scare people.
Yeah.
Unless it's my looks.
Oh, I was not expecting a tip there, but total ended up being $14. Not bad. Finally got an order, and this one is actually terrible. I don't know why I'm not unassigning it, but this is Gravity Coffee going 10 miles. Yeah.
Got that one for you. Second one.
Total ended up being $11, but like, what was the mileage on that? I think I said like 10 or 11. Just got the next order. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 3 miles, 3 items. Excuse me, do you know where this would be? It's a sausage brick.
That is gonna be, let's see. It's gonna look like this one's gonna be right here.
Oh, there you are. Thank you.
You're welcome. Place your number.
There you are. Have a good day. Thank you. Got this order as I was walking up. This is a Starbucks, $7 going 1 mile.
Bye.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, for Vanessa?
Yes.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. You too.
Just
Just got the next order. This is gonna be Burgerville going less than 2 miles. Got a feeling this one's gonna be kind of poopy garbage, but whatever.
Yo. Shot is in the back.
Thank you. Luckily, this isn't going too far because their shake was pretty much melted as soon as it was given to me. Total ended up being just under $7, but that was pretty quick. I'll give it to them. That wasn't that bad. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 11:06. Current total, we are at 79. And I'm still waiting on those 2 Uber tips from earlier to come in, so it's probably gonna bump it up to like 95, maybe a little bit more, but I don't think we're breaking 100 today. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.